Spaceman Slumbersofa Duo. Meet the Spaceman Slumbersofa Duo, a sofa that transforms into a bunk bed. This sofa is not only a great idea to get some extra sleeping accommodation, but also a great space-saving idea. This easy-to-unfold and practical bed is excellent for small apartments and living spaces. This dual-functioning sofa transforms back into living area in seconds. The sofa is not bulky or hard to look at. It is elegant and will fit great into any living space. It measures 88 inches in length with a depth of 39 inches. Once transformed into a bed, the sofa adds 52 inches to its depth. No need to worry about safety, as the rails for the upper bed is included for protection, along with a locking system to secure the foundation. The price for the Spaceman Slumbersofa Duo is $4,000, making it a great alternative to a regular sofa, as you can quickly get a couch along with additional sleeping space. Ito Sofa Wall Bed System. The Ito is one piece of furniture that would have anyone fooled. What looks like a small sofa is actually adjustable to a freestanding king-size wall bed. If you look closely, you will see how easy this transformation is. This wall bed can even stand in the middle of a room. Great for a studio apartment, as it provides effortless changes and is only 173 centimeters wide. The shelves you are looking at are always leveled and hold up to 32 pounds. The mattress's size is 150 by 200 centimeters, a great length to comfortably fit 2 adults or 3 children. The Ito Sofa Wall Bed system has a modern look. Its creation originated in Italy and it comes with a lifetime warranty. Slumber Up Ceiling Beds. Here is an excellent reason to install a pole in your living space. The Slumber Up Ceiling Bed is an incredible space-saving idea. This system uses a counterweight balance to raise itself from the ground to the ceiling when not in use. It requires no electrical or motor connections, which makes it great for out-of-reach places. You can automatically open or close the legs when lowering or raising the bed. If you enter a room, you would not think to look in the ceiling for a bed, as it is barely noticeable. This bed is completely safe and will not fall out of the roof due to the child safety lock. The cost of the Slumber Up Ceiling Bed single bed is $7,500, while the king size goes for approximately $14,000. Cascade Kids Bed. Okay, let me tell you the cost of this bunk bed right out of the gate, and then you tell me whether or not you think it's worth it. The cost of this bed is $17,800, but with good reason. This bed is a complete system. It is a full adult height, but can be lowered for younger children. You will not believe how customizable this unit is. You can have it designed to fit the space you are trying to get it in. The mattress gives firm support and is made from high-density Italian foam and memory foam on top to hold the curves of your body. You will find 2 beds, 2 top drawers, and 2 bottom drawers in every single unit. The wood particles used to make the bed are all recycled, and the paint used is water-based. All features are environmentally friendly and child-friendly. Bed Up. Bed Up may be an unusual name for a bed, or perhaps not. Meet Bed Up, engineered and designed by Atelier Decadreges. This elegant-looking sleeper is pulled from the ceiling using 2 steel cables. The bed is secured on its foot without the need for a load-bearing wall. This bed effortlessly holds 170 pounds and will not collapse. You can place Bed Up on the ground or have it stand on its own 2 retractable legs. This bed is great for office spaces, student rooms, and includes a bookshelf. Pod Time. Our next bed was created and designed by Pod Time. Pod Time is a very convenient way to take a nap on the go or even at home. The pods are stackable and comfortable and include all the necessities one would need. These pods weigh approximately 220 pounds and can fold down to be transported. The material used to make the pods are polycarbonate and frosted doors to ensure privacy. The air circulation is excellent, and the television and luggage compartment can also be added for convenience. You can also add a leather covering for the mattress, and digital radio can be added if one desires. The cost of a pod time is $3,100 upwards, depending on the features you add to it. Metronaps. Now here is a bed that looks almost futuristic. This is a Metronaps chair. This chair was designed as an energy pod suitable for workplaces and anywhere one would need a power nap. It was made with sleep technology, offering comfort with an innovative design. It has zero gravity and provides a 20-minute nap with music to put you to bed and give you a gentle wake. It also produces a sequenced program light and gentle vibration. As simple as this chair looks, it helps take pressure off your cardiac system by elevating your feet, and it relaxes the muscles in your lower back with your knees slightly bent. Some of its features include a timer, touch start button, status indicator, and built-in speakers. You can also get headphones, and the price ranges from $8,000 up to $13,000. Hycan. The Hycan bed, unique and well-designed. Not only does the Hycan bed offer an excellent relaxing night of sleep and relaxation, it also helps you feel healthy and safe. The Hycan bed features blinds on all sides with lights you can dim, accompanied by relaxing music and a soothing scent. If you thought this was all, this bed keeps you healthy by monitoring your sleep and providing biometric data. It controls ambient temperature and the noise level, which may affect your sleep. All this is stored in an app for you. The bed has a smart alarm and function to prevent snoring. You can watch high-quality television with excellent sound, all courtesy of this bed. View the TV on your mattress. The price of the Hycan, in case you were wondering, is $40,000. The ultimate bed. By the looks of it, the name of this bed is most fitting. This is called the ultimate bed and is packed with several functionalities. Created by the British company Lux Bed Co., the ultimate bed is slightly bigger than a standard bed, but it does so much more. It has a bookcase, storage compartment, seating, and even a safe. The nightstand with this bed rises. There are 2 built-in fans and a charging panel. This bed comes with speakers too, all finished with smooth velvet and a unique design. The cost of the ultimate bed is a surprisingly low $800. Please don't be shy, let us know what you think in the comments below.